Stormer in India for today. UK PM lands in Mumbai will meet PM Modi to discuss India-UK tie. United Kingdom Prime Minister Keir Starmer on Wednesday arrived in Mumbai for a two-day visit to India. Starmer landed at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Welcome to Global Affairs Academy. Let's overview and review UK PM India visit. He will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday at Raj Bhavan, Mumbai and attend the CEO Forum and Global FinTech Fest 2025 at the Geo World Center. Starmer was received by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy CM Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar and Maharashtra Governor Acharya Devvrat. The visit will include high-level discussion to strengthen the India-UK comprehensive strategic partnership and review the Vision 2035 roadmap for bilateral cooperation. Prime Minister Starmer visited India at the invitation of Prime Minister Modi, the Ministry of External Affairs said on Sunday. This will be his first official visit to the country. The two Prime Ministers will also discuss opportunities presented by the India-UK Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement and exchange views on regional and global issues, including trade, technology, defense and climate initiatives. Starmer's two-day visit has a strong trade focus with the Scotch whisky industry expected to be one of the big winners of the India-UK Free Trade Agreement. Downing Street said members of Scotch Whisky Association are part of Starmer's trade mission to explore a potential increase in whisky sales to India worth an estimates £1 billion a year, creating over 1,000 new UK jobs. Starmer's engagements in India will include key meetings with senior ministers and business leaders to deepen bilateral trade and diplomatic ties. The historic trade deal the UK government struck with India this year is great news for Scotland and especially our whisky industry. But having secured the deal, our challenge and responsibility now is to put this deal into action, said Douglas Alexander, UK Secretary of State for Scotland. Alexander added that Starmer would beating the drum for Scotland's finest products, emphasizing that the FTA Free Trade Agreement would allow British export to reach new markets. The UK government had called the CETA Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement a landmark agreement that will boost growth across the country, with export opportunities for other Scottish products. British government estimates indicate that the CETA could increase bilateral trade by £25.5 billion, lift UK GDP by £4.8 billion and raise wages by £2.2 billion annually in the long term.